Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. You're not going to believe it. It is National Nacho Day. And of course this is something I have to celebrate. And I'm going to be celebrating with a group of other channels because I'm hosting a Nacho Day collaboration where we're all going to be making fun nacho ideas. This year, I'm going to be making a tikka masala nacho. They're actually called Naanchos because instead of tortillas, they use naan bread. Let's get started. I'm going to start by cutting that naan bread into chip-size pieces. I'm just going to throw these in the oven at 400 degrees and toast them for a few minutes. Time to make the tikka masala sauce. Grab a pan. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter with a chopped white onion. Once softened, we're going to add a small can of either diced jalapeños or diced green chilies. And we need about a pound of cooked shredded chicken. A tablespoon of garlic. Time to add a can of crushed tomatoes. And half a can of coconut milk. A teaspoon of ginger. And a tablespoon of garam masala. Let's stir it together, and then we're going to reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Let's start layering with half of those naan chips, half of that chicken tikka masala, half a bag of Monterey Jack cheese, the rest of those chips, the rest of that sauce, and of course the rest of that cheese. And this is just going to go back in the oven for a few minutes until the cheese is melted. On top, I'm going to dollop on some chutney. This is the mango chutney. Yummy. I'm ready to dig in. Chicken Tikka Masala Nachos. It just smells so good. How does it taste? Whoa. Love that flavor and digging those bready nachos. It is a divine nacho. I think I'm going to give it an 8.8 out of 10. It's a good nacho. Happy Nacho Day. Now you'll have to see what other types of nachos that you could create. Now check out the link in my description and you'll see a lot more people that are making nachos. Hashtag Nacho Day 2025. What do nachos do at the gym? Crunches.